Good morning, everyone. My name is Krisha Mange, and in this video, I'll be reflecting on my self learning journey through the CS 202 Discrete Structure course, specifically focusing on how combinatorics is used in cryptography and cybersecurity. This course helped me bridge the gap between the theoretical concepts and their real world applications. So, this is my presentation, which I will be talking about. Today, I will also discuss how I used a detailed article on the same topic titled Combinatorics in Cryptography and Cybersecurity, which served as the foundation for my learning. So, let's dive in. Understanding the combinatorics in cybersecurity. It might sound like complex math, but it's actually the hidden force keeping our digital world safe. Every time you log into your bank account, send a secure message, or make an online purchase, combinatorial principles are at the work behind the scenes. From creating unbreakable security barriers to protecting billions of transactions daily, combinatorics is vital to our digital security. As cyber threats evolve, this complex mathematical foundation will continue to be our strongest defense. How I completed it. The activity I chose was to explore how combinatorics plays a crucial role in building secure cryptographic systems. The article, Combinatorics in Cryptography and Cybersecurity, offered an insightful introduction to the subject and gave me a strong conceptual understanding of how combinatorics is used to generate secure encryption keys, hash functions, and password systems. The article explained how combinatorics increases the complexity of encryption systems by generating the large key spaces that are impossible to crack through the brute force. I was then able to apply these concepts in the real world scenarios by implementing the cryptographic techniques in Python. After reading the article, I deep my understanding through the CS 202 discrete structure course, where I explored combinatorics further and learned how it is used in various cryptographic protocols. The course provided practical experiences that allowed me to test my understanding through coding tasks and assignments, which solidified the knowledge I gained from the article. The resources I used included the CS 202 course for the structured content and exercises, the article for conceptual clarity and real world applications, Python documentation to implement encryption methods, and combinatorics algorithm. What skills I learned? By completing this course and reading the article, I learned a variety of technical and soft skills. On the technical side, I gained hands on experience in implementing the combinatorics based cryptographic systems. I learned how to generate large cryptographic keys using the combinatorial methods, implemented the encryption algorithms like AES and RSA, which rely on the large key spaces, used the hash functions to maintain data integrity and ensure that even the smallest change in data procedure different hash values. Additionally, the course and article helped me understand the importance of the complexity in the cybersecurity. I learned how combinatorics makes encryption systems difficult to break, even for the most powerful computers. But it was not just about coding. I also enhanced my problem solving skills. Combinatorics forced me to think critically about how to approach complex security problems and which cryptographic methods were best suited for different use cases. On a softer note, I developed my communication and presentation skills by explaining the cryptographic concepts and writing code comments that made complex ideas easier to understand. The process of teaching others these concepts also solidified my understanding. How this experience will help in my future career. Now, let's talk about how this experience will benefit my future career. Combinatorics and cryptography are at the core of cybersecurity. With the knowledge I gain, I feel prepared to tackle real world security challenges, whether in job interviews or hands on experience. Understanding how combinatorics enhances the security of digital system will be useful in higher studies or research. Cryptography is critical in fields like data science, machine learning, and information security, and these concepts will be foundational to solving complex problems in those areas. Additionally, for anyone interested in entrepreneurship, this knowledge is invaluable. Being able to design secure systems from scratch will allow me to build scalable, high performance software that can withstand the threats. Reflecting on my learning journey. Reflecting on my learning journey, I am particularly grateful for how the article helped me visualize combinatorics in action. Before reading it, I had a basic understanding of how encryption worked, but the article showed me the deeper role of combinatorics in generating the secure systems. The hands on experience in the course were crucial in applying what I learned from the article. They allowed me to implement the combinatorial algorithms and encryption techniques in Python, which made the abstract concepts tangible. Python's simplicity allowed me to focus on the logic behind the cryptographic methods and helped me quickly implement what I was learning. The article, alongside the course content, provided the perfect balance of theory and the practice. So, in conclusion, completing the CS 202 discrete structure course and reading the article Combinatorics in Cryptography and Cybersecurity has equipped me with valuable skills in cryptography and combinatorics. I have gained hands on experience in implementing the cryptographic systems, and my understanding of how combinatorics strengthens encryption has deepened this journey has not only expanded my technical knowledge, but also improved my problem solving, communication, and critical thinking skills. I am confident that this experience will play a pivotal role in my future career. I am excited to apply these concepts in real world situations, whether in future jobs, research projects, or even on my entrepreneurship. I feel empowered by how these fundamental concepts in programming can solve the real world security challenges. Thank you.